Hello children, today we are going to learn how to write sentences using the word in. So this is frame sentences using in. So let's start by writing the date. What is the date today? It is 18th of Jan. So 18.1.2021 2021 is the year. You can also write CW for classwork. Now there's one example already given there. So let's read and let's look at the picture first. It is a picture of a hut. A cat is in a hut and a cat is drawn there. It is in the hut. You will never write the reverse, children. Like some children write a hut is in a cat. So that can't be possible because a cat is drawn there. Hut is a big object there and cat is in the hut. So let's also draw the pictures keeping these things in mind. Let's draw a picture. First picture, you can guess what ma'am is drawing. By now all of you know how to draw pictures. So I'm drawing a rectangle and you can guess what is it. It's a bag. Now I will draw something inside the bag. You can guess that also. What is that? What am I drawing? It's has 4 feet. It's a rat. Now how to write a sentence using in. So you have learned how to write T, capital cursive. Now let's see how to write capital cursive A. So make a slight curve from the third line. Take it up to the first top red line, bring it back, and again on the same line take it up and make a loop around, touch the second line, make a loop around the first slanting line and take it out like that. That is capital cursive A. So you can practice that also. And let's write the sentence. A rat, leave one finger space. A rat is in a, you keep leaving one finger space, is in a bag. So children, keep in mind never to write the other way around. That would be wrong. A bag is in a rat. That would be wrong. So a rat, which is a smaller picture, is in a bag. So that would be your sentence. You can keep looking at ma'am how I am writing A capital cursive and you can practice. And if you find it difficult, you can even write the capital A. Okay. Now let's look at the third picture and what we are going to draw. You can guess I'm drawing an oval and 2 standing lines below that and a lid and a pedal and something, you have guessed it right, it is a bin and something is in this bin. Now let's frame the sentence. Capital cursive A, start from the third line, a small curve, take a slant line up, touch the top red line, bring it back just like the normal A to the third line. Again, take it up the same line, form a loop around the first slanting line and out. That is capital cursive A. A pin. Now smaller picture's name first. A pin is, try to write below that, in a bin. Bin is in a bin and a full stop. Be sure to start with the capital and end with the full stop. Now let's draw another picture. First we'll draw the bigger picture. We're going to draw two pictures, one inside the other. So let's draw the big picture. You can guess there's an oval and two lines and a sort of semicircle. You would have guessed, what is this? Yes, it's a pot. And what is inside a pot? What is ma'am drawing inside a pot? It is a cod, a fish, or it's a cod fish. So again, capital cursive A, start with a small curve, take it up, 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 touch the top red line, bring it back, back, back to the third line, turn around the first slant line and out. And what is, first we will write the name of the smaller picture, a cod, the cod is in a, what is it? Pot and a full stop. Now let's draw another picture. First the big picture. Oval. And this is a, yes, you've guessed it, it is a jug. And we will draw something inside the jug. Let's see if you can guess it. It has 6 legs. Okay, so what is this? Again capital cursive A, starting from the third line, curve, slant line up, bring it down, turn around the first slant line, A. A bug, bug is in a jug, full stop. A bug is in a jug. Now let's draw another picture. Now first I'll draw an oval and then a sort of what is this? It is a net. Now what is in the net? I'm drawing another oval in the net. What is it? Again capital cursive A, and for before a wall, we, like I have told you, before a wall we always use an, so it cannot be a egg in a net, it will be an egg. So when you write an egg, egg. An egg is in a net and a full stop. An egg is in a net. Because egg starts with an E, which is a vowel, we always use an before a word that starts with the one. So it will be an apple, an octopus, like that, an igloo. So let's draw another picture, last one, and this will be having a 4-letter word. So let's draw this picture, bigger picture first. But you have to try and fit in these 4 lines only. So you guessed it right, it is a, yes, it is a shed. And what is in the shed? It's a cow shed, so obviously the cow will be there in this shed. There's a cow in this shed. That's right. Capital cursive A, cow, C curve, O W, ow. A cow is in a shed, sh, e, d, ed, and a full stop. A cow is in a shed. So children, this is how you have to write sentences using the word in. Draw the pictures carefully, neatly, and keep practicing and write beautifully like this. Thank you.